Welcome back to Snippet Coder, and we are back with another video, and this is the second video of the new series on grocery Flutter app using WooCommerce as a backend. So in this video we will learn about how to create API from WooCommerce store. So before starting the video, if you are new to our channel, subscribe the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Thank you. So for enabling that APIs from the WooCommerce, first we have to go to the setting. So from here we have to click on the permalink. Now from here we have to change it to any other option except that plain option. So now we will click on the day and name. So when we do that, it will just enable us that generating a JSON from our WooCommerce. So now we will click on the save here, save changes. So the permalink structure updated. So now we will go to that WooCommerce, and from here we will click on the setting. So from here we will click on the advanced. So from here we will click on the REST API. So here from here we will add the add key. Now here we will provide a description for the key. We will provide description as a Flutter app key. So here we will give the permissions, and we have to do both the read and write permission. So we will click on the read and write. So here we will select the user also, and now we will click on the generate API key. So from here we will get that keys and all, and these are the consumer key and consumer secret. So these keys will be used to get the API data from the server. So now also we will go to that legacy API also, and from here we will enable it. So we will click on the enable, and we will click on the save changes. So now just to test that our API is working or not, we will go to that Postman and we will just test the API. For using the API, we have to provide this URL, and we are just doing listing all the product, and we are calling that get API get request. So here we will pass that URL, and after that we will pass wp-json, then wc, then version 3, then products. So now let's go to that Postman to see how it's working. So in the Postman we will put the link here, and here this is our link, and here that URL for products, and then here we have to pass consumer key, then we have to pass consumer secret. So we are doing the get request, and when we click on the send request, we will get the JSON here. So here we are getting the data. So before explaining that data, we should make sure that we are doing everything on that HTTPS. So if we are not on any HTTPS URL, then this will not work. In that case, we have to use the OAuth version 1 and all, and there is also some complication also in getting it work. So we should make sure that we are using the HTTPS. So here we are getting the data which we have entered. So we are just getting the published data only, not any other data. So here we are getting that product name, then we have that URL, then we have the category here, short description, then we have the price, then we have the regular price, then we have the sale price. Also we are getting the price HTML also. So we are also getting the category here also. Yeah, so here we are getting the category in an array. So suppose if any product is of a multiple category, so we will get that all in the array. So we are getting the image also here. So this is a URL of that image, a product image. So there are a lot of information coming from that APIs, but we require some of the information. When we will do that Flutter application, we will just consume the few information which is required in the application. So rest of the things are just useless for the application. So that's all in this video, as we have just completed the second video in which we have just learned how to set up the API and all. So from next video we will just integrate that API in that Flutter application. We will start with the UI designing and all, and then we will do that creation of user login and other screen also, and we will do the complete video and complete tutorial on that developing that grocery app by using that Flutter and WooCommerce. Thank you all. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, share, so that I will do more and more videos on that Flutter. Thank you.